Good evening, everyone. It's Muriel here with my last project for 2018. I hope you all are having a great evening. So it's Christmas Eve finally. So excited, so excited. Once I do my video, my daughter and I are going over to a friend's house. We always do Christmas Eve. Have a couple of hors d'oeuvres and drinks over there. And then come back home, and I think we're going to probably just chill the evening, and then tomorrow we'll do our traditional open gifts. I may make a breakfast, I may not. I am really trying to stay out of the kitchen. I'm getting myself geared for the new year, so I'm trying not to do lots of cooking and stuff. But we will be taking a picture with our brand new pajamas. I purchased these pajamas Costco.com. They are actually Costco pajamas. Adorable. Members, shopping carts, flatbeds all over the print. Really cute. So we'll do some pictures in the morning, and then we'll again relax. I'll probably do some wash, right? Because it's just a middle of the week, and I'm on vacation. And then we'll go to dinner at another friend's house, and that will conclude Christmas for us. But anyway, I wanted to come show you these three things that I made. I watched my YouTuber do a tutorial on these Christmas gnomes. They are actual ornaments, and I saw her channel via another person's channel. I watched Arlene's channel. Arlene made Arlene is My Butterfly Kisses 12, and she's back for many of you if you don't know. So Arlene watched Paperdrama's channel, and she made two gnomes. They were absolutely adorable. And then when I went over to Joe's channel, she does a tutorial on how to make these. So I did, and I got carried away, and I made 15 of them. And you can see over here, they're like in a sleigh. This is a sled that I picked up at Target some time ago. And it's just overstuffed with gnomes. They are so cute. I plan on giving them to my friends tomorrow. I kind of made enough so that I'd have a husband, wife, and 2 kids. And then another set will be a husband, wife, and 3 kids. And then another one is 2 kids. So anyway, they're absolutely adorable. I did make the pom-poms with the pom-pom maker from We Are Memory Keepers. I found it over at Tuesday morning. It's only $3.98, you guys. Really, really cheap. I did get another one from my sister. I told her about this project. She's excited about it. I'm thinking she's probably going to make some for next year and sell them on her job. But the pom-pom maker comes in small, medium, and large. Okay, so I use large and medium. I think I may have did one small, but really easy to do. Again, I'll put the Joe's channel in the description box, Paperdrama, and she shows you how she makes them. Basically, I liked it because I was able to use up a lot of felt. I was able to use up a lot of yarn that I had, and then I used a whole pack of these wooden snowflakes that I purchased from Target, and I want to say last year. But they are snowflake 15 count. Excuse this, just something that's stuck on there that can't get off. But you can see how they are snowflakes with buttons on them. So I used a whole pack of those. And then I bought a strand of beads, and that's what the nose is made of. And then you have some jute twine that you can either use it as an ornament on your tree, or you can just put them on the fireplace. So again, I just went crazy with them. I'm so glad I saw Arlene's channel where she showed the one she made on her Instagram page. So anyway, these are just a sleigh full of gnomes that I'm going to be gifting to some friends. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to gift them to them. Just want to fix this. I made some other ornaments, and I'll show you guys. I just didn't staple this one. I'm going to staple it right now. But when I was over at my storage unit, I realized I had 3 of these plastic ornaments, and I wanted to do something with them. So let's put my gnomes back. I put these on my Instagram channel, so if you follow Miss Cooper's Coop over on Instagram, you can see them close up. But these plastic ornaments from Michaels, I went ahead and made a few. I had a couple of these ornaments that I picked up at Dollar Tree and at Michaels. So, not Dollar Tree, excuse me, Big Lots. So, Big Lots had these village accessories, as they call them. They were $3 and they were 25% off. So, I ended up getting a few of those. And then, of course, you can find them also miniature, tiny miniatures by Celebrated at Michaels for $3.99. And right now, things are like 70% off. So, I made this one, and then after I thought about it, you can't even see the trees, but it says Santa's Workshop this way, and of course the trees are in the back. And I have a bag full of trees, and I don't know why I didn't do taller trees, but that's okay, because I'm giving these to some of the kids at the holiday, my friend's parents' house tomorrow. So I'll show you this one here. I didn't staple these ribbons. I just put these ribbons on, and I said I was going to staple them, and then I came upstairs and quickly got dressed and quickly put a face on and forgot to staple this. So here is the second one. Now here is the one with the postman with the mailbox and the tree. And then I took some of these pom-poms that are on kind of this wire, and I kind of glued it to the top of the inside of the ornament, so it looks like snow falling. If you don't look close enough, you just see these white balls, and I just wanted to give that image of snow falling. And it's just a little snow on the bottom. And then I took some green glitter paper tape and taped it around here. Okay, so that's that one. I think I was, you know, toward the end of this month, I was just looking at a lot of things that I had lots of intentions on doing and hadn't gotten to it. And this was one, so I'm so glad that these 3 ornaments are out of my stash. And then this one here has a sign that says Jingle Way, this way. It has a tree, and then it has one of those houses. And I believe Amador gave me a bunch of these little houses. He had them all cut out, so I just needed to put it together. So that's how that one looks. They're just cute. They're just really cute for like a little girl's room, or sometimes parents put trees in their kids' room, and that would be cute for one of the girls I'm giving to tomorrow. So I made some paper bags also. I wanted to be able to package these gnomes in a cute way, and I hadn't altered any bags lately. I don't know, since, I don't even know if I did any for Halloween or not, but I wanted to alter some bags. So I had some Heidi Swap craft bags in my stash. I had 2, and then another brand, this size. So I pulled out some paper, the Hot Cocoa by, I believe this is by, oops, excuse me, by American Craft. Yes, it is. And I picked this one up at Tuesday morning as well. It was $6.99. This was last year. But beautiful papers, and what I like about them is they are really some heavy paper, and a lot of the craft paper, and that's what I wanted to use on the paper bag, so that they just blended in. And the papers are the whole entire pad is just 5 colors: red, white, black, craft, and tan, or craft, black, white, red. So really simple, but I like them. I cut out some of the cut aparts and used them as tags. And oh my goodness. And I altered 3 bags, and I'll show you what they look like. So here is one. The bags are actually 8.5 by 9, so they're pretty big. So I just use a ticket punch in the corner here. I cut out the snowflake pattern on one side, and then I cut out that with the words and the images on the other side. And I had some of this trim in my stash, and I just layered it across the top where the paper kind of stopped because of the handle. And I recently got a rack from Arlene. Thank you, Arlene. Absolutely love the Christmas goodies. Thank you so much. And I told you that this paper would come in handy, so it's perfect. And I'm just going to put the gnomes down in there. So I cut out one of the tags. It looks like this. right? And this bag is really cool because it has the tip where it won't come out like so, but you can, if you needed to, you could push it back in and not use it or change it out. So I was able to put the cute little tag on here, and on the inside, so that it really looks like it's homemade, I put one of these labels. These were from Michael's stash. I've had them for a long time. I was recently thinking about destashing them, but I think when I make stuff like bags, it's always nice to use because it gives that home look. Plus, when I took the plastic off of this, it kind of tore a little of the craft paper here, so that just covered it up. So I'm just going to pack those gnomes in there, and then once those gnomes gets in there, I picked this up last year at Big Lots, and I know I will be using it this year, but it's called Curly Tissue Filler, and look how cute that looks. So basically you lift the grommet, and then you shake it all, and then you add it to the package, and then you're done. So I think this is really going to be really cute to go on top. And I took them out, but I haven't shaken it yet, so but I'll show you what it looks like. So it looks like this, and I don't know where the top is. I saw it here somewhere. You can tell what is, oh, here it is, the grommet. So you would just take this here and then let all this go and just shake it, and then that's going to go on top. I thought it would make a really cute presentation. So I picked up 3 of those last year. They were only $1.50, and they may have been less because I tend to shop at Big Lots after Christmas. So my second bag looks like this. I just used this black paper with these X's. I cut out one of the cut aparts, and I went around it with a scallop punch. It says Merry Christmas with the coffee. Here's another one of the tags that you can cut out, and the opposite side looks like this with the coffee. They would be really cute if I had a coffee gift to give, which I don't. It's just going to be gnomes in the bag, and the bags are pretty big, but the gnomes, again, they will either have 4 to 5 inside the bags. And then this trim is just some rosette trim, again using things that I have, which I'm really happy about. And then this bag here, those bags were Heidi Swap, and this bag here was from Michael's because it had that crown on it. So they're all about the same, about 8 by 9 inches. This one has beautiful red and cream trees on the front. I cut it out again with the scallop punch, and I put white rosette trim on top. And the other side looks like this, which is really cute because you can see the snowmen here. And this is some tissue paper from, again, another Christmas rack that I got that I am reusing. And I'm going to put that curly stuff on top and put the gnomes in there. And it's going to be really, really fun to look at. So I really had a fun time making my last projects of the year. I made so many, but I'm so happy. And I think they look really cute in this sleigh. So you guys, I really had a good year this year. It's been a busy year. Daughter's home, that's new. Craft room was reorganized, that was new. So everything is just going as it should, and I appreciate all of you. I'm looking forward to doing new things and visiting your channels, and then finding some new people to sub with, and it's just going to be a great year for all of us. So if I don't get to talk to you again this year, I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I don't know, me and Mia may do a Vlogmas, maybe. We did one last year, but we never showed it, so it was kind of crazy. So if we can tame it down and make it, you know, presentable, then that's something that maybe we will start doing. So anyway, happy Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you all, and I look forward to seeing you and seeing your projects in 2019. Thanks again. Bye now.